Have you been doing keto, eating clean, fasting, and still not seeing results? The scale still won't budge. Your body might be more stubborn than you think, but don't worry, don't give up yet, because today we're taking fat burning to the next level. We're revealing 10 strategies to break through stubborn weight loss plateaus naturally and permanently. Now let's talk about why your body is holding on to fat, even when you're doing everything right. Maybe you've said this before. I just want to lose the weight, or I just want to get rid of the pain. But the truth is, that's never really what we mean. What you really want is to lose fat, naturally, safely, permanently, and to do it while feeling energized, balanced, and healthy. The number one thing that stops fat loss is insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that tells your body to store fat and blocks fat burning. When insulin levels stay high, your body can't burn fat, period. And what causes that? Sugar, fructose, refined grains, and big one, eating too often. Every time you eat, even healthy snacks, your insulin goes up. Over time, your cells start ignoring it. That's insulin resistance. And if you want to lose fat, that's the first thing you have to reverse. Strategy 1, cut carbs. Even lower, maybe you're already doing keto, 20 or 30 grams of carbs a day. But for some people, even that isn't enough to lower insulin. Enough to burn fat. Carbs, especially sugar and starch, are the biggest triggers for insulin release. The lower you go, the less insulin your body needs to make. Sometimes this means getting really strict, close to zero carbs for a while. This helps your body shift from burning glucose to burning fat for energy. And remember, not all carbs are the same. Leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables have fiber that slows carb absorption, so they're okay in moderation strategy. 2, moderate your protein. Protein is crucial for muscle, skin, hair, and your immune system. But too much protein can actually raise insulin levels because excess protein can be converted into glucose in your liver. If you eat a lot of protein, it can stall fat loss by keeping insulin elevated. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 0.6 to 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body mass. If you're not sure, start moderate and adjust based on your results and how you feel. Strategy 3, don't overeat fat. Keto is high fat, but that doesn't mean eat all the butter and oil you want. Fat is calorie dense. Eating too much can prevent your body from burning its own fat stores. The goal is to eat enough fat to feel satiated, but not so much that you're storing excess fat. When you eat a ton of fat, your body thinks it's got plenty of energy incoming and has no need to burn stored fat. Think of dietary fat as fuel to keep you satisfied, not a permission slip to eat unlimited fat. Strategy 4, intermittent fasting. Eating less often is one of the most powerful ways to lower insulin. Intermittent fasting means you're not elevating insulin all day long. Start with 16 hours fasting and 8 hours eating. This gives your body time to burn through glucose and start using fat for energy. As you progress, you can try longer fasts like OMAD, 1 meal a day, or alternate day fasting to push insulin even lower. Longer fasts can boost growth hormone and improve insulin sensitivity even more. But always listen to your body and stay hydrated with electrolytes. Strategy 5, leafy greens plus fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy gut, which plays a huge role in fat loss. Eating a pound of leafy greens a day is a great way to get fiber without spiking blood sugar. Fiber slows down carb absorption, preventing blood sugar spikes that lead to insulin surges. Plus, fiber feeds your good gut bacteria. They produce short-chain fatty acids that help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. So load up on spinach, kale, lettuce, and other non-starchy vegetables. Strategy 6, walk. Don't run when it comes to exercise for fat loss. Low intensity is king. Walking, light cycling, or swimming keeps your heart rate in the fat-burning zone. High-intensity exercise can raise cortisol, which raises blood sugar and keeps insulin high. When insulin is high, fat burning is blocked. So take a daily walk after meals. It helps digestion, lowers insulin, and promotes fat loss without stressing your body. Strategy 7. HIIT, but smartly. High intensity. Interval training, or HIIT, is great, but only if you do it right. Short bursts of 20 to 30 seconds of all-out effort, followed by longer rests, can boost your metabolism and growth hormone. This helps preserve muscle and burn fat after you're done exercising. But don't do HIIT every day. 3 times a week is enough, and do it while fasting for maximum fat-burning power. Strategy 8. Prioritize sleep and stress. Sleep and stress are often overlooked, but crucial for fat loss. When you're sleep-deprived or stressed, your body releases cortisol, a stress hormone that raises blood sugar and keeps fat stored. Poor sleep also makes you crave sugar and carbs, making it harder to stick to keto. Prioritize at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Try deep breathing, meditation to lower stress levels. Strategy 9. Replenish key nutrients. When you fast or cut carbs, you lose minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium through urine. This can cause fatigue, muscle cramps, and headaches, and make it harder to lose fat. Make sure to replenish with Himalayan or sea salt for sodium, potassium-rich foods or supplements, like potassium citrate. Magnesium, citrate or glycinate to support muscle and nerve function. B vitamins from nutritional yeast or supplements. To help energy production. Omega-3s, like fish oil, to reduce inflammation and support cell function. Balance your electrolytes to keep your body running smoothly. Strategy 10. Use natural insulin sensitizers. Natural foods like apple cider, vinegar, cinnamon, and lemon juice can help improve insulin sensitivity. They work by slowing the digestion of carbs and improving how your cells respond to insulin. But they're not magic. They work best when you're already doing keto and fasting. Use them as a helper to give your cells that extra edge. So if you're feeling stuck, try these strategies one by one. Remember, fat loss is not about starvation or extreme workouts. It's about balancing your hormones, especially insulin. Fix that, and your body will start working with you, not against you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell. I'll see you in the next video.